Okay. The Lord's Prayer. Ready, go. The Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Okay. Okay. Muni ang shoes ni gihatag. Kit. Sa iyong masulti. Thank you. Ina. Ready, go.